Ready to unleash your creativity? In this step-by-step Canva t-shirt design tutorial, you'll learn how to transform your ideas into stylish wearable art. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, discover insider tips and tricks that will reflect your designs and make your shirts stand out. Let's dive in and turn your vision into a reality. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a t-shirt designs with Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals to create a wide range of visual content, including t-shirt designs. It offers an extensive library of templates, images, fonts, and design tools, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers to bring their creative ideas to life effortlessly. Alright? So all I have to do right now is just come back to the top and you have just to click over here. If you already have an account, and you click over home and you'll find other page, which is this one. Or if it's the first time to visit Canva, you have just to click over the button of sign up, then you write your personal information like Gmail and also your password. Then you get started with this platform. It's very helpful. It's just kind of designing. You will find all the designs, all the things that you need. Also you can here create your poke or Flipbook I mean, and other things. So let's get started and I will show you right now how you can create t-shirt design. Alright, but before, let's just know the plans and the pricing of this platform. So firstly, let's just click over the plans and pricing. As you can see, we have here four choices or the four options. The first one is absolutely for free. You have to design anything and bring your ideas to life, no cost, just creativity. Then we have the second one, Pro. Unlock premium content, more powerful design tools, and AI features. Then we have the third one, Teams. Transform teamwork, grow your brand, and simplify workflows. Then we have Enterprise. Empower your organization with an all-in-one workplace solution. For example, I will just select the free one and I will just get started as I did, and you have to blank your information such as your email address and your password. Then you get started and you will find this homepage as you can see. Alright, right now all I have to do is just click over searching content and canvas. Then you have just to search for t-shirts and you'll find this page as you can see. Alright, you can also click over seal to see all the templates. So let's click in over seal and then you will find this page. Alright, so we have the templates. You can just select the one you think it's better to you. So right now let's just filter it and I will select the niche that I think it's better for me. So firstly you have to select the category that you think it's very helpful and the one you need actually. So firstly we have here business as you can see. Then we have also here social media. Then we have also here education, video. Then we have marketing, print products, cards and invitations. Then also you can just select the style if you think modern, minimalist, simple, colorful, illustrative illustration. About the design I will select here modern, or the style I mean. Then we have the theme if you want black, pink, clothing, typography, fashion, code and view more also as you can see. Then we have also here language, feature. Then we have topic, like if you want music or brand. Then also we have here the pricing. I will select the free one. Then we have the color. I will select the black one, or I will select here the black one. Yes. Then I will click over apply, and then you will find this. You can just select the one you think it's better. For example, I will just click over this one and I will click over customize this template and you will find other page which is this one as you can see. So I will just go to design if I don't like this template and I will select for example this one. I will choose the color that I think is better for me and then I will just modify all the things. Firstly, I will just delete this one and I will do my own design, right? Alright, here we have it as you can see. So right now I will just go to the elements and I will select for example here a dragon or a demon and a lion. You have just to select all the thing that you want. So for example I will just select a dragon. I'll put here the color which is the white. Alright, so this is how it looks. Alright, so here we have it. You can just put only this design, or you can add whatever you want, like we have here other things. You can put also here the color that you want. For example, I will select here the color of, I will select here the white one. Then also you put it, I put this one more. Right, so here we have it. Then now I will just put this one here, as you can see. Then I'll put this one here in the middle. Then I'll put this one above. Then I will just go to the text, add a hidden. I will click over add a hidden, and I will just modify the size. I'll put it here, for example, 90. And I'll put it here, as you can see. Then I will just add right now, so right now let's just add in, for example, I will add, for example, here, welcome back, for example, in our dragon or in our kingdom, or something like that. You can just add whatever you want. So for example, I will just add me a dragon like that, and then here we have it, as you can see. So it's just an example. You can just design it as you want. So it's just an example. All right, so right now also we have here the brand. If you want to add logos, but this one you have to pay for it. Then also if you want to upload something that you have on your computer or that you download from Google or other page or websites. Then we have also here, if you want to draw, for example, you can just select the color that you want. If it's white, blue, yellow, or here we have a razor as well, and you get started with this one. All right, so creating t-shirt design with Canva is a straightforward and enjoyable process that empowers you to express your unique style. With its user-friendly interface and a vast array of tools, you can easily customize designs to make them totally your own. Whether you are designing for personal use, a special event, or even to sell, Canva provides everything you need to bring your vision to life. So grab your ideas, dive in, and start designing a t-shirt that stands out. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. You have just to follow the steps to success with Canva. And also, if you have other thing that you have to edit, you have just to select here the option of upload. And if you did a mistake, you have just to come back here, and we have in the top right the button of share. I will show you how you can share this design, for example, right? So here we have various options, like here we have see all, and we have also here simple book flip, public view link, and you have to download, and we have also the copy link if you want. Right, so this is it. So see you again in the next video, guys.